Hi friends! Welcome back to Ella's Kitchen and Beyond. So today what we are going to make, Laila?
We're gonna make crepes.
Yeah, so I have a little friend, my cousin from Dallas, Laila here, so we are going to make crepes. So I know kids like crepes, no?
Yes.
Yeah, so that's a favorite dish or breakfast for the kids.
Yeah.
So we are going to make a crepes today. So what kind of crepes we are making?
So we're gonna make chocolate and strawberry cake.
Oh, yeah, yummy. That will be very tasty and delicious.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what are things we need? So let's see what are things we need. Okay, the ingredients. The first thing is what? Pancake mix. So we can use any brand, any kind. So we are just using this one. We will be using 1 cup of the pancake mix. And then we are using the strawberries. And we need some, what is this?
Powdered sugar.
Yeah, it's for garnishing. We need some powdered sugar. We need some chocolate syrup. What else we need?
Nutella.
That's your favorite thing.
Yeah, that's my
wow,
favorite.
Laila loves Nutella.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we need some milk to mix the pancake mix. We are going to make some cream cheese frosting. So that we have some cream cheese and some butter. Alright, so we have all the ingredients ready here. Let's start. Okay?
Okay.
Alright. So first we are going to take some pancake mix. You want to take it? Wow. Alright. So we have 1 cup pancake mix. We can put it over here. Okay. I'm going to pour some milk. You can mix it, Laila?
Yes.
Alright. So let me pour a little bit at a time. Needs a little bit more.
Yeah. So this is the consistency of the batter that it should be.
So now our pancake batter is ready. Look at the consistency. So she mixed it well. You did a good job, Laila.
Yeah.
Now we have to mix the strawberries with some sugar.
Yeah.
Alright. So you want to put some sugar in this. Maybe half teaspoon is good enough. Yeah.
And then you just sprinkle it on top.
And you can mix it. Alright, so strawberries are ready too.
Yeah.
We can set it aside. Now we are going to make some cream cheese frosting. So first we need to melt some butter and then add the cream cheese and sugar. Alright, let's do that. Okay. So I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of butter melted. So let me melt the butter first. So I have the melted butter here, so I'm going to add some cream cheese. You like cream cheese?
Yeah.
I'm going to put some sugar. Just put a little bit. Then you whisk it. So I'm going to add some vanilla extract to this. Let me put a few drops. Smells good.
Really good, yeah.
This is very creamy, no, Laila?
Yeah.
Yeah, looks yummy. You want to taste it?
Yeah.
Is it sweet?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we are going to make the crepe. So let's start. Okay?
Okay.
So pour 1 ladle of pancake mix. Then you have to just spread it. So spread it thin. Okay? You can do it like this. Alright. So let it cook. You can put the heat to medium high. Laila, it's almost ready now, so we
Okay.
can flip it.
Okay.
So let me, you want to do it?
Yeah, sure.
Ooh, good job. So we can wait till the other side is cooked. Okay. Right, it's getting ready. So let's flip it and see. it's ready. So let's take it out. Okay, we take this out. Alright, so we can put it into the plate. Alright, so now we can put the strawberries inside and see how we can make it, okay?
Okay, so now we're gonna start making the filling part.
Okay, so what we are going to use?
So we're gonna use Nutella.
Yeah, you want to do it?
Yeah.
Alright.
So you just scoop some out.
Mm-hmm. So we have to spread it very evenly. You can cover the whole thing, or you can, cover the middle. No?
Yeah.
Whatever way you like. Alright. Laila, what we are going to do next?
So now we're gonna put the strawberries in a line across the crepe.
Ooh. Wow, it's a lot of strawberries.
So now we're gonna fold the crepe.
Okay, so let me do it.
Okay.
So you can fold it like this. You fold this side too, so you can fold it this way. So then we have to flip it over. So just put it this way. Okay, you want to do it?
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some Hershey's chocolate syrup and just drizzle it on the top.
Wow, that's
Like
beautiful. Now we can add some powdered sugar.
Yeah.
Let me put some sugar. Okay. Wow, look at that, so pretty.
Yeah, so now we just put some strawberries on the side.
You can put some here too.
Yeah.
Okay. Laila, let's make another one with the cream cheese frosting.
Okay.
You want to make it?
Sure.
Here is our cream cheese frosting. You want to spread it? So this time we are using cream cheese frosting. Last time we used the Nutella. Okay? So you can, whatever is your favorite, you can use it. Oh, I think that's enough.
Yeah.
Alright. You want to put some strawberries?
Yeah.
If you like blueberries, you can put blueberries, no?
Yeah. You
Yeah.
can put blueberries or any other fruit too.
Yes. Banana, if you like banana, you can cut it up and use that too. Okay. Alright, you want to fold this one?
Yeah.
That's nice. Alright, very nice. Then what we do?
Then we just flip it over.
Yes. Okay. So I have some cream cheese frosting in the piping bag, so it will be easier. If you don't have any piping bag, you can use a Ziploc bag. Let's make a small hole. Alright, you want to drizzle it?
Sure.
Wow, look at that. So you can use any shapes, whatever you want. Alright. Now we can add some powdered sugar too.
Yes.
Let's take this. Okay. You want to do it? That's the fun part, no?
Yeah. Just sprinkle it.
Mm-hmm. That's good. You want to add some strawberries too?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, that looks pretty. Wow, so we have two types of crepes. One is with the Nutella and the other one is with the cream cheese frosting.
Yeah.
So Laila, did you enjoy making it?
Yeah.
Yeah, she was a big help for me. Yeah, thank you so much, Laila.
Okay, you're welcome.
So we are done with making the crepes. Now this is the tasting time. Laila, you want to try it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Very good.
Very good. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
So you are going to make it again?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure kids will enjoy it. Try making it and give to your kids. All right. So thank you for watching. Bye for now.